So, in this video, we are going to plan our month of July. So, kind of like to make things attractive. So, I tried to make some designs on the paper where I wrote July. So, I made some heart shapes design. So, let's have a look on it. So, on every month, I write the progress of my that particular month. I kinda love codes, so I wrote a code. The harder you work for it, sometimes the greater you will achieve. After that, I will write the habits which I want to inculcate in myself. So basically, I write very few because to make it more real, because we write a lot of things, but we are not able to do all of them. That's why I have written only three. Let's have a look. So the first one is I want to wake up early. Second one is I want to study more because in the previous month I haven't done anything. And third one is exercise. I always do this, but want to do this, but I never do this. And the goals for this month is according to the syllabus of my that particular month, which I have to complete as soon as possible because as I told you that I haven't studied for the whole month of June at all, so I have to take this month a little bit seriously. So goals for this month depends mainly upon my previous month. So science, maths, social, English and Hindi. I make my goals for YouTube separately because I don't want to mix my studies with YouTube because that will be very much messy. I wrote the code: the harder you work for something, the more you get. And now I will make a calendar of this month because it is very important for us to make a calendar because it will help us to know what basically this month will accomplish or have. I forgot that this month start with which day, so I tried to have a look on Google. So Google Baba, let's help me please. Let me search. Oh shit, I wrote the spelling of calendar mistake. So let's have a look, and net is too slow. And now my calendar opens. Let me increase the brightness. So the month starts with I think Thursday. Yeah, Thursday. So now I will write the whole month. You can skip 10 seconds, but please don't do that. Dun, dun, Oh, too boring, but we have to do it as it is a part of video. 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, and 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 30. Oh, sorry, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31. Sometimes I'm a bit crazy. So the month I have, or the calendar I have made, but now I have to make the lines because that will clarify me more. So after making the calendar, we should highlight the important dates as I will do now. Just wait for 2 seconds. 2 or 3 seconds. Don't judge me by my bad maths. Oh, it takes too much time. It is almost done, but I think more 15 seconds or 10 seconds. I know that I haven't made the line properly, but please ignore it. Now I will mark the important dates. So on 10th, I have some important work. Actually, it is the day when my brother was born and my sister too because they are twins. On 17th, my best friend's birthday is, and on 7th, my favorite Dhoni's birthday. So how can I forget that? So you can mark the dates which is very much important for you, or you have a special occasion or any type of special test or anything as per your requirement. So now I will write the weekly goals. Weekly goals depend upon you, how much you want in this week. Or totally depends upon you. So you can write anything or any goal which you want to complete in that particular week, but make sure that you make it much realistic, because don't make your weekly planner or monthly planner a big blunder mistake, because you have to finish all the work in that particular month, and if you will not, then you will feel guilty. So make sure that you write some, but you will finish it as soon as possible. So that's the end of today's video. I have made the my monthly planner. I hope that this video helped you. Let's have a look on my planner. I kind of like this. Please subscribe my channel.